Let's talk about one of the most uncomfortable interview questions. What are your weaknesses? Most people either freeze or give the classic, "I'm a perfectionist" answer. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to answer this question in a way that sounds confident, self-aware, and actually impresses your interviewer. First, why do employers even ask this? They're not trying to trap you. They just want to see three things: if you're self-aware, if you're honest, and if you can grow. So here's the trick. Choose a real weakness, but one that won't stop you from doing the job. For example, delegating public speaking, overcommitting, asking for help, difficulties saying no. Avoid weaknesses like poor teamwork or bad time management. Those are deal breakers. Next, give a short example of when this weakness shows up. Keep it simple. No long stories. This is the most important part. Your answer should end with how you're actively working to get better. Interviewers want progress, not perfection. Here's what a strong answer sounds like. One weakness I've been working on is delegating. I tend to take on too much myself because I want things done well. I realized this can slow down team progress, so I started breaking tasks into clearer steps and assigning work based on people's strengths. Over the last few months, it's helped me become a better team contributor and avoid bottlenecks. See, real weakness, real improvement. So remember, real weakness, short example, what you're doing to improve. If you follow that formula, you'll turn a tough interview question into a chance to shine. If you want me to help you craft a personalized weakness answer for your job, just drop your role in the comments.